Google just launched a native Gemini app for Mac. That means you can now press Option and space on your keyboard, and Gemini appears right on your desktop. No browser tab, no switching apps. Let me show you what it does and how it works. The main feature is the shortcut. Press Option and space from any app or any window, and Gemini pops up instantly. You can ask a question, draft an email, or generate an image. When you're done, close it and you're right back where you started. It doesn't interrupt what you're doing. The other big feature is window sharing. Click Share Window and Gemini can see exactly what's on your screen. It works with any app and even local files. So if you've got a complex chart or a PDF open, you can ask Gemini to explain it, summarize it, or pull out the key points. You can also create images and videos right from the Mac app. For images, it uses Nano Banana, Google's image model. For videos, it uses Veo. Just type what you want and Gemini generates it. No need to open a separate tool. It's all built into the shortcut. The Mac app is available globally starting today. It's completely free for all Gemini users. You need macOS 15 or later to run it. Just head to the Gemini website and download it. Google says that this is just a start, so expect more Mac features coming soon. Are you going to try Gemini on your Mac? Let me know in the comments.